Ukraine launched helicopter using M134 Minigun to shot down 8 Russian Shahed drone. The night sky over the Black Sea became a killing ground. What began as another calculated Russian drone strike quickly turned into a catastrophic airborne massacre, as a helicopter crew from the Ukrainian Navy unleashed overwhelming minigun firepower and systematically hunted down 8 incoming Shahed-type attack drones. This was not interception, this was execution. And it sent a chilling message to Russia's drone warfare strategy. Under the cover of darkness, Russian forces initiated yet another wave of aerial terror, launching multiple Iranian-designed Shahed loitering munitions towards southern Ukraine. These drones were not random, they were programmed killers. Each carried an explosive payload designed to detonate on impact, targeting ports, naval facilities, power infrastructure, and defensive positions. Their mission was simple: penetrate Ukrainian defenses and cause destruction. Flying low over the sea to avoid detection, the drones moved like silent predators. But this time, they had entered a trap. Ukrainian radar operators monitoring the maritime airspace detected the incoming swarm early. Their trajectory was clear, their intent was unmistakable, and the response was immediate. Within moments of confirmation, a Ukrainian naval helicopter was ordered into the air. Its engines roared to life as the aircraft lifted off into the darkness, racing directly toward the incoming threat. Inside the helicopter, the crew prepared for close combat. Mounted at the open door was one of the most terrifying airborne weapons ever deployed against drone threats: the M134 Minigun. 6 rotating barrels, thousands of rounds per minute. A weapon designed not just to stop targets, but to shred them from the sky. The crew knew what was coming. This would be fast, violent, decisive. Minutes later, the helicopter entered the interception zone. Scanning the darkness, the crew spotted the first drone, its faint silhouette visible against the distant horizon, its engine buzzing as it continued toward its programmed kill zone. The pilot pushed forward aggressively. Distance closed. The gunner locked on. Then, the minigun erupted. A stream of blazing tracer rounds tore through the night, forming a continuous line of destruction. The drone had no chance. Rounds ripped through its fuselage. Its structure collapsed instantly. It exploded mid-air, a violent fireball illuminating the sky. Burning fragments fell into the sea. 1 drone eliminated. 7 remained. The helicopter did not slow down. The crew immediately moved toward the next target. Unlike ground-based defenses that rely on fixed positions, this helicopter was a predator, fast, mobile, and lethal. The second drone appeared. Another burst, another explosion, another kill. The third drone attempted to continue forward, unaware it was being hunted. It never reached its destination. The minigun roared again. Impact, fire, destruction. Drone after drone fell. Each engagement lasted seconds. Each drone died the same way: shredded, burning, erased from the sky. The helicopter moved with terrifying efficiency. Pilot and gunner operating as one. No hesitation, no mercy. By now, the Russian drone strike had completely collapsed. What was meant to be a coordinated attack had turned into chaos and annihilation. The remaining drones continued flying blindly toward their targets, but the helicopter was already behind them. The 4th drone, destroyed. The 5th drone, destroyed. The 6th drone, destroyed. The 7th drone, destroyed. Each kill confirmed visually. Each explosion lighting up the night. Each failure marking the collapse of Russia's attack. The final drone remained, the last survivor of the failed strike. It flew alone. It never escaped. The helicopter closed in. The minigun unleashed its final storm of fire. The drone disintegrated instantly. All 8 drones were gone, completely wiped out. Silence returned to the sky. Where moments before there had been incoming threats, now there was nothing but smoke and falling debris. 8 drones launched. 8 drones destroyed. 0 penetrations, 0 impact, 0 success. The helicopter crew remained in the air briefly, scanning for additional threats. There were none. The mission was complete. They turned back toward base, victorious. This engagement represents more than just a tactical success. It exposes a growing reality of the war. Russia's reliance on Shahed drones, once considered a low-cost, effective terror weapon, is now facing increasingly lethal resistance. These drones depend on reaching their targets. But when intercepted by airborne hunters, they become helpless. They cannot evade, they cannot defend, they cannot survive. Ukraine's use of helicopter interception adds a new and terrifying layer of defense. One that turns the sky itself into a battlefield, where drones are hunted down and destroyed before they can strike. For Russian drone operators, every launch now carries a deadly uncertainty. Will their drones reach the target? Or will they be hunted down and erased from existence before they ever arrive? Over the Black Sea, the balance of power was clear. The attackers became the victims. The hunters controlled the sky. And 8 Russian drones paid the price. The era of uncontested drone strikes is ending. And the night now belongs to those who hunt.